A quick look at a YouTube studio by Miniature Manors. This bespoke garden studio was designed for a joiner who shares their work on YouTube. The brief focused on lighting, layout, and usability, and this 6.5 by 3.5 meter building delivers on all fronts. Large French doors and a full-height window flood the space with natural light, essential for capturing fine detail on camera. The pitched roof reaches 3.5 meters high externally and creates a vaulted ceiling inside, ideal for mounting lighting and camera rigs at height, so they can be left in place between shoots. The owner can simply walk in, switch on, and start filming. The interior is lined with painted OSB, a durable, practical finish that makes it easy to mount tools, shelving, and equipment. Outside, Thermowood cladding contrasts with dark grey corrugated steel. The recessed facade and softwood step create a defined entrance, while the fascias and cheek panels are carefully detailed to flow together. Contact Miniature Manors to start planning your own project. Or read our full article on the garden room and annex guide